Hmm. Howdy y'all, Slinger here. I got off work early today. I didn't want to get off work early today, but it was a slow day, and they couldn't justify keeping all of us on and let a bunch of us off. I got voluntold to go home. Okay, well, I checked the mail and I had received a package from one who does not wish to be named, and I am thankful for it. It was an entire pound of Boswell Northwoods, so I'm having some of that. Been a minute. Big shout out to our good friend Rinky Dink. The other day, he's one of those that was having trouble using Venmo and Cash App, so he had mailed to me a set of tongs. I got wolf jaw tongs, another pair of bolt jaw tongs, and these VZ bit tongs. They're offset for long pieces. Pardon me. Big shout out, Rank. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'm awaiting the tracking order from my secretary, who will be back, I don't know, either later today or tomorrow, and I'll send you your tracking number. I'm almost glad it's been so long since I've had some Northwoods, because now I'm not like used to it anymore, and it's amazing like when I first had it. Well, I'll listen to Grandma cough her head off in the background, because she probably swallowed her spit or something crazy. So I'm going to get going. I'm going to enjoy this. Slinger out.